Before buying a shower head, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many people don't realize how hard water can strip away skin moisture and damage hair, but the right filtered shower head can change that. Product number 1, MakeFit Filtered Shower Head. First up is the MakeFit Filtered Shower Head with handheld combo in matte black, priced at $36.69. What caught my attention was its dual shower head feature and the fact that it claims to enhance your shower experience with high pressure and multiple modes. If you want a soothing, spa-like experience at home, this one's worth a serious look. The MakeFit comes with a 10-mode handheld shower head and a fixed shower head, allowing you to switch between a relaxing rain shower and a focused massage mode. This means you can customize your shower for whatever mood you're in. The built-in filter system tackles hard water issues, filtering out chlorine and heavy metals, which is crucial if you're dealing with dry skin or weak hair due to poor water quality. With over 3,200 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it seems like many users are enjoying cleaner and healthier showers thanks to its filtration technology. Now, some reviews mention that the installation can be tricky for first-timers. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, it's usually smooth sailing, and for the price, it's a good deal considering the features you're getting. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile shower experience that also fights hard water effects. Skip this one if you're looking for a simple one-mode shower head. With its solid filtration and massage features, it offers great value for your money. Now, if the installation concern with the MakeFit bothered you, this next option might be even easier to set up. Product number 2, Cobb Filtered Shower Head. Next is the Cobb Filtered Shower Head, priced at $23.99, which is a steal given its features. What really caught my eye is its ergonomic design that allows easy switching between 6 spray modes with just one hand. If you're after a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality, this is worth checking out. The Cobb integrates KDF55 and calcium sulfite balls to boost filtration efficiency, which is a big plus for those who suffer from dry, itchy skin due to hard water. It also comes with self-cleaning nozzles, meaning you won't have to worry about limescale buildup over time. The flow rate is set at 1.8 gallons per minute, giving you a satisfying shower experience without wasting water. With over 17,600 reviews and a 4.3-star rating, it's clear that people appreciate the quality it offers for the price. However, some users found that the pressure could vary depending on your home's plumbing. But here's the catch: many have said that once installed, it performs impressively well. This is a solid pick if you're looking for an affordable, high-performance shower head that is easy to operate. Skip it if you need a very high flow rate for a more powerful spray. At less than $24, it's hard to argue against its value. Alright, that was a fantastic option. But the next one on my list might actually impress you even more with its high-pressure capabilities. Product number 3, MakeFit Dual Filtered Rain Shower Head Combo. Now we have the MakeFit Dual Filtered Rain Shower Head Combo, priced at $60.51. What drew me to this product is the combination of a rainfall and handheld shower head with adjustable settings. If you want full coverage and flexibility in your shower routine, this one deserves your attention. The product boasts 10 spray modes, allowing you to choose from relaxing rain to invigorating massage, catering to any mood. The bendable extension arm offers incredible flexibility for both adults and kids, which is a game changer for family showers. With a 4.4-star rating from 2,500 reviews, many users seem satisfied with its performance. However, a few users mentioned that the installation can take a bit longer than expected. But honestly, once set up, the quality and performance really shine, making it worth the extra effort. This is perfect for you if you want a flexible shower experience with excellent filtration. Skip it if you prefer a simpler setup without much adjustment. It's a great investment for the features it provides. If installation time was a concern for you, this next shower head simplifies things and is very user-friendly. Product number 4, MakeFit Dual Filtered Rain Shower Head. Next up is another Make-Fit dual filtered rain shower head, this time in chrome for $59.48. I was surprised by how similar it is to the previous model, but it adds a stylish finish that many may prefer. If you want a great blend of aesthetics and functionality, this one's definitely worth a look. This version also features KDF55 and calcium sulfite filters for superior water quality, ensuring your shower experience is clean and refreshing. With an 8-inch rainfall shower head and a handheld option, it caters to a variety of user preferences. The pressure-boosting technology is particularly impressive, providing a strong flow for effective rinsing. On the downside, some users noted that the handheld shower head could feel a bit bulky. But here's the thing, if you're using it in a balanced way, it shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you want a combination of a stylish design and a strong performance. Skip it if you're sensitive to the weight of handheld shower heads. Considering the quality, it's a competitive option. Finally, if you're looking for a handheld option with great cleaning functions, the last product might just be your top pick. Product number 5, AquaCare High Pressure Handheld Shower Head. Last but not least, we have the AquaCare High Pressure 8-Mode Handheld Shower Head at $31.99. What's cool here is the built-in power wash feature that lets you clean your bathroom with ease. If you need a multifunctional tool in your shower routine, this could be exactly what you're looking for. The AquaCare is designed with anti-clog nozzles, meaning you won't have to clean out grime and lose pressure over time. The built-in power wash function allows you to tackle tough cleaning tasks without hassle, which is a game changer for those who hate scrubbing. Plus, with a rating of 4.6 stars from nearly 50,000 reviews, it's hard to overlook its popularity. However, some reviews mention the hose could be a bit shorter than expected. But honestly, for the price, the functionality and convenience you get are well worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a shower head that doubles as a cleaning tool. Skip it if you need a longer hose for more reach. Overall, it provides strong value for a multifunctional shower head. So there you have it. The Make-Fit filtered shower head is great for dual functionality. The Cobb offers affordability, while the Make-Fit range shower heads provide a luxurious feel. Finally, the AquaCare combines cleaning with showering. Each has its strong points, so you can choose based on what suits your needs best. Happy showering!